Viewers and subscribers, the brother up on your screen where them say molest him 5-year-old sister and him 2-year-old niece has been captured by the police. People, this are good news coming out of Jamaica, and I must commend the police officers them for their swift actions and their quick gathering of intelligence that led to the capture of this monster. People, we will talk about this fast and quick and fast. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and turn the post notification on. So that's when time I drop my video, them people will not get them first. You get me? I say make sure you like and share, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Do not keep your thoughts to yourself. Share it because I want to hear it. Now let's go. So the headline say man accused of sexually assaulting 5-year-old sister now in custody. The 29-year-old man, who is accused of sexually molesting his 5-year-old sister in western Jamaica last week, Wednesday, is currently behind bars. The man, who was on the run since last Thursday, was captured during a police operation on Tuesday night. His 2-year-old niece, whom family members initially feared he had also molested, is now in hospital under observation. The mother of a 2-year-old child told the Observer that the police visited the home and shared the good news that he was apprehended. You can imagine how relieved these persons might have felt to know that this creature has been captured. The article goes further to say that on Monday, the alleged perpetrator's mother told the news that she is wishing for his death, and she said, quote, "What would I like to see happen is to see him dead. My baby a 5-year-old and I suffer in a hospital. She a feel pain in her chest and in her upper body. Good God, people want to tell me now, if uno in a situation as their mother ya, or even a father, and this happen to your baby, right? Or brother, we a big growing ass man. Do this to your little 2-year-old, 5-year-old daughter. What you gonna do? How would you deal with the situation? I want to hear some things in the comment section, people, because me think some things, and me don't want things me cruel or me evil. I don't know, right? So me just want to hear everybody else opinion. How would you deal with a situation like this, knowing that as long as you live, right, this will be held against your family. This will affect the children right throughout their lifetime. Someone want to hear how under deal with a situation like this. People, but just hope the police them carry out them proper investigation, and this man can be charged and locked away for good. Yes, I want him to lock this man away for good, and any judge that this man faces, I hope the judge sort him out properly. That's him not see road again for molest no other picnic. Because chances are there might be a lot more children out there who he has molested before that no one knew about. And who knows how long he has been doing this to his sisters and his niece. You never can tell. People, I also hope that um the bodies or the organizations that are set up to deal with counseling or whatever assistance that the children requires at this time will step in and also provide support to them and the family. People, please be safe. Please watch over your children. Please take time out to talk to your kids and interact with them to know what's happening in their lives. Right? You see, brother or molest sister right in the home. Can't trust nobody, people. Alright, so as me say, smash the subscribe button, like and share the video. What good until next time.